Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for turning in. My name is Changkuoth Nyak and this is your trusted source for update. Today I want to speak directly to you about a serious and urgent situation unfolding in South Sudan. President Salva Kiir has declared a 6-month state of emergency in Warrap State and Mayom County of Unity State due to rising intercommunal violence. The announcement made on SSBC placed both areas under lockdown, restricting civilian movement. The transitional constitution required that any emergency declaration be approved by the national legislature within 15 days. But the assembly is currently on recess, leaving the legality and future of this declaration uncertain. Deadly violence in Tony East County has already taken several civilian lives. In Mayom County, youths have reportedly crossed into Warrap to raid cattle. In response, military aircraft were deployed Thursday to carry out airstrike aimed at preventing further escalation. As I follow this development, I can't help but feel concerned. Emergency power have been used before, like in 2017, but long-term peace remains elusive. Human rights activist Terma Nyangad, which criticized the president's move, saying it wouldn't solve insecurity. He urged full implementation of Chapter 2 of the peace agreement and deployment of unified national forces. I share this view. Real peace requires commitment, not just lockdown. He also stressed the need to engage traditional leaders and communities in peace building and to avoid turning civilian life into a military zone. Meanwhile, civil society activist Edmund Yakane supported the emergency in Warrap, calling it a necessary step to reduce the deadly violence, but he warned that unless political elites fueling the conflict are held accountable, nothing will change. In a separate incident in Mayom County, at least 9 people were killed and 10 injured following a clash that began over a personal dispute between 2 young men, reportedly over a girlfriend. Unity State Information Minister Garwej B. Palbut confirmed the deaths and clarified that the violence wasn't connected to all the revenge killing. No arrests have been made yet, but efforts are ongoing. Riekong from the Street Children Care Initiative condemned the killing and called for justice. I echo his word. If criminals walk free, violence will continue. As someone who deeply cares about our community and our future, I believe this event shows us the urgency of choosing peace over politics and justice over impunity. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates like this.